Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. And today I'm going to be doing a throwback look with a palette that we just got in Boxycharm last month in July. And I'm going to be using the Norvina Pro palette number 3. And if you're not familiar with what that looks like, it looks like this deliciousness. I'm going to try to stay a little neutral with pops of color, but we'll see how that goes. We love to play with the colors, you know. But I hope you're doing great. I'm getting ready for work. So a lot of my videos now are filmed at the crack. Actually, it's not even dawn yet. But, you know, the early bird gets the worm, all that kind of jazz. So it's just quiet time with me and you alone, and I'm showing my shoulder off. Ooh, a little peekaboo tattoo. And I love talking to myself and you. So I'm going to be starting in the crease with B5. Well, that's very orangey brown. It always makes me crazy that my eyes are two different shapes. But, you know, that's just the way it rolls downhill. Downhill. Everything's downhill over a certain age. Do you agree? I don't agree. I really think that there's still a lot of things ahead of me. And we're going to now go into some color. I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. I'm definitely not wearing this to work. No shoulders allowed at work, or visible shoulders. You're allowed to have shoulders while you're there. You just can't see them. And I'm going to go into, I think this purple shimmer. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And at work, we have to wear masks all the time, so all anybody can ever see is my eyes. That is really, really nice looking. I dig it. I'm digging it. Now I'm going to go into a light shimmer. I'm going to go into D5 and put that. It is a gold color. An orangey gold. That looks really dynamic. And that is really pretty. Now, let's do a little bit of a deeper color in the outside corner. We're going to go to C4. Add some depth. Now let's get the blending brush. I think that looks fantastic. And now we're going to do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, that looks really great. Now I need to figure out what to do with my lips, because this is such a dynamic look. I need to go subtle. So I think I'm going to go with number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, which is Seductress. And that is it. This is a gorgeous look, and I'm so happy with it. From the ABH Norvina Pro 3. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.